I'll be eligible for other things that pop up and they'll tell me that I'm ready to be running and stuff like that. And he said not every job is contracted like this, where it ends in 10 months. But, the next one could be placement or permanent. Well, it's something to put available, but if not, and I haven't found shit, I'm not sure if I can look up. But for right now, I'm just gonna keep it. I can feed it $10 an hour, 40 hours a week, 8 to 4:30. I don't know if it's or not, I don't care. Unless I have to free people to do shit. Yeah. Early, we go to
No,
Make it on shirts. Leave the stars. They're hunger. Don't know where. Baby, that's what I do. I'm coming back to you. Every night, till you know. Woman takes the place. Woman takes the rest.
shower. I'm still like tired in my chest though, and like I've been coughing and shit today. So this is
Hey, Mom. Alright. Bye.